Okay, so now I move to question number two. Question number two, we have to draw the complete north elevation. So now let's look at the north point symbol. So which side is the north side between the four sides from the building? So if you check the north point symbol is facing down, and obviously this point is aligned with this side of the building, so that means this side of the building is the north side. So that means now obviously from our elevation we'll see this window there, which is window number 3. Let me just erase that part. Okay, so we'll see window 3 and door 2, which is the sliding door, right, as indicated there. But this is an incomplete north elevation. We'll have to draw the complete north elevation. So this symbol helps us a lot. So you need to understand how do we um, read this symbol, obviously when we are given a floor plan, right? Okay, so obviously on our north elevation, we'll have to show the following features: the outside walls, window, door detail, and the steps, and also the finished floor level, right? Okay, so now that means obviously this elevation must be drawn using scale 1 is to 50. Okay, so now what you have to do here, we have to project all the walls up and including the windows and the door. So I'll start with the walls. So I have to project that up. My set square is shorter. Okay, it's fine. I'll just do like that. So project that up. So obviously this wall, I have to project that wall up, and also this part, this side, this wall up like that. And we also have this window, remember, over here. So I'll have to project that window as well. And the sliding door. Okay, so I've projected everything. Okay, so now let me start with the floor level right over there. The floor level from the ground line or ground level going up to the floor level, it's 12. It's the 600 there. So I'll measure 12 there from the ground level. So 12 going up. 12 is right over there. So I'll just draw a construction line just like that for now. And let me just draw the ground level there. Like that. Okay. So this is the floor level, right? So let's check there. Okay, perfect. So obviously this is the floor level, and then let me just draw the height for the stoop. So it's 9. So I'll measure 9 going up. So 9 is right over there, and then obviously I can just draw that line, a solid line to this corner of the wall. Where is the corner of the wall? It's this line. Okay, perfect. So I can just draw a solid line there. Also the walls there, just draw them. So let me just draw this wall there in the middle. that, and also this side, and this side like that. Okay, so these are the walls. Okay, let me just try and draw this step there. Obviously we do have the length from the floor plan. It's this one. That means I'll have to project the length from the floor plan going up, so it's right over there, that, so I can just draw that step using outlines. Done with the step. Okay, and then we also have those small steps there. Okay, steps at 150 millimeters, so that means the height for each step is 150. Okay, so obviously those steps are right over there from the floor plan, so I'll have to project the two lines up to there, and also this one up, and then 150 divided by 50 is 3. Please forgive me, I'm tired of calculating. I'll just use my calculator. So it's 3 going up, the first one, so that means it's 6. So I can just draw a line there and a line over there. I almost did a mistake by drawing a line there instead of using this 2. So just complete my steps there. Okay, I'm done with the steps. So now let me just try and draw the sliding door. So where is the sliding door? The sliding door is given here. We are given the height, right? The height is 42. That means I'll just measure 42 from there going up. So 42 is right there. So I just draw a horizontal line like that, and a straight line there, and a line there, and a line over there. Okay, so obviously I'll have to copy the sliding door as it is here. So obviously the opening panel, that means I'll add the arrow facing that way. So from here, so because they're saying all frames are 50 millimeters, that means the frame it's 50, so I'll measure 1 millimeter around. Okay, so it's 1 there, 1 this side, and 1 from up there. Okay, and also this side, 1. Okay, so we can just draw construction lines first. Just draw a construction line, just for in case of you can see. Okay, like that. Then from there I can just draw the frames. Made a mistake there. Okay, this line is not there. So I'll just add the arrow there showing the direction of opening. So okay, so this is the sliding door. I've added the sliding door. Now I'll try and add the door right there. Not the door, sorry, the window. It's window 3. So obviously I projected those two. So now the height is the same height as the sliding door. Just project the height this side, and then now because this is window 3, that means I'll use this height of the window, which is 20. So from that height there, I'll measure 20 there. Then I'll just draw the rectangle, which is the window, just like that. There. Okay, the frames obviously from there to the inner one, it's 10. So mark off 10 somewhere there, and also this side 10 and 1 and 1 for the window frame, 1 there. From the bottom line going up 1, and at the top there going down 1. Okay, then from there just draw construction lines as far like that, like that, that. Just like that. Okay, so now I just draw the frame. Okay, so now if we look at this window, we have this letters A, and B in the middle. So we have the window notes right over there. A is for the opening side, that means we open the window there, right? And B is the fixed panel, right? Okay, this is the window sill. Okay, so to show that the window opens from that point there, we have to add center lines like this. Also from that corner going down, just add a center line like that. Okay, and also we do the same thing this side. I have to draw this line to the center of the window. Let me just do that. Like that. Just like that. Okay, so I'm done with the window. So I need to add I will have to add the window sill below the window frame. So now because this side there is a window and we can see the window sill there, what I can do is I can just project this up and this to that side. Okay, then from there because the thing let's see, okay, I have to project this frame this frame right up to that line there. So that means the frame will start there. Okay, from that point there, I can just draw the windowsill going down. And what's the thickness of the windowsill? We are given measurements there, 150 by 20, 20 divided by 50, it's 0.4. So I can just make it 1 because it's quite challenging to measure 0.5. So from there I just draw a parallel line like that. So obviously I'll be able to see the windowsill from the elevation. So I only draw that section outside the wall like that. So only draw the section, not the inside section, right? Okay, and then from there I just project those 2 points of the windowsill to this window this side, so that I can add the windowsill like that. So automatically I have the windowsill there. I just draw a vertical line there, a vertical line over there, and also those 2 lines. Okay, just like that. So I've added the windowsill there. Also this side I'll have to show the windowsill. I can just project that up, and now it's much easier for me because I have those lines there. I can just project them, and from there draw the windowsill there like that. Okay, perfect. Okay, now what's left, it's this steps there. I have to add the steps. Okay, so it's 150. Okay, so I'll just project this up, that up. Okay, I'm projecting the steps from the floor plan, so project that up. Okay, so going up we'll have 3 there, then this one will be 6, this one will be 9, right? Okay, so just draw lines there like that. Like that. Do I need to add something? Okay, so I think I've added everything, but remember I have to indicate the finished floor level. So we have center lines there, so that means I'll add those center lines here. Like that. Okay, that's the finished floor level, and then I'll have to indicate the finished floor level. So just write FFL there for finished floor level. Okay, natural ground levels there. So I'll just try and label this elevation. I'll just label it this side. So this is the north. elevation. And the scale used at scale 1:50. Scale 1:50. Okay. So let me just recheck my instructions. I had to show the outside walls, window, door details and steps, the finished floor level, which is indicated. So I just want to go back to question number 1. There's something that's missing there. I had to add the room designations and the floor finishes from the on my floor plan, right? So if we check there, we are given the floor finishes there. So number 1, we have kitchen, so I have to label the kitchen there. The floor finish as tile, so because I don't have space there, I'll just print the tile just over there. And let me just zoom out. Then number 6, we have the lounge, so the lounge is here, and the floor finish as tile. Okay, and number 5, it's veranda, so this is the veranda. And the floor finish as tile. Okay, 4, bedroom. Bedroom there, and the floor finish is carpet. Okay, so I've added that. Number 3, it's the ensuite bathroom. Okay, I don't have enough space there, so I'll just say bathroom tile. So just try and just say an S there, ensuite bathroom. And we also have the bathroom this side. And the floor finish is tile. Okay, done. So okay, I'm done with question number 1 and question number 2.